Transform your home's comfort with the Daikin DX9VC Air Conditioner from TopCare HVAC of Oakville. This premium inverter-driven system combines intelligent communication, variable speed operation, and advanced compressor technology for exceptional cooling performance. With up to 22.5 SEER2 and 13 EER2 efficiency, it helps keep your home comfortable while managing energy use. Designed for 2 to 5 ton ducted applications and powered by a variable speed ECM motor, the DX9VC delivers smooth airflow and dependable performance. Contact TopCare HVAC today for expert installation.